The biggest negative habit blocking you from manifesting your dream partner. You care more about what other people think of you versus what you think about yourself. When the opinion of others matters more to you than the opinion of your higher self, your vibratory state, your self-concept is always defined by mass consciousness versus being defined by the perspective of your higher self. Your self-concept is what you accept to be true about yourself. And this is what you become a magnet for. The only reason why we care so much about the opinion of others is because we are seeking validation and approval from something or someone outside of us. But your higher self knows you are already lovable, good enough, and worthy exactly the way that you are. Instead of letting your vibration be calibrated by the opinion of others, calibrate your vibration in alignment with the opinion of your higher self.